The next tool we're going to be looking at is the Tack tool. So we have Tack and Edit Tack. So we're going to start with Tack. This allows you to join two different sections together without doing sewing. So this can be used if you are creating digital garments. It can be used to do buttons without actually sewing them together, which can also be very helpful because I know sometimes the buttons get very glitchy. So that's just an option that you can do. Now, once you've applied the tack, you can go into edit and you'll see that there's like a line between these 2 points. So if we select that, we can go to thread length in our property editor and we can adjust this. So if I want it 100 millimeters apart, it will also separate it so that it's almost pushing it away. So you can see here it's pushing it away. So you can really fine tune it and make it exactly how you want it. So I know some people use it for collars to hold garments together when you're doing a walking animation, just so that it sits nicely. And that is your tuck tool.